obedient movement, Nigerians, well-meaning Nigerians. So now welcome to Obidati Family TV. Today, now for Hope Alive we day. And we dey move direct to wetin dey happen for court. As una know, today court don resume again, and many things dey happen for court. Many witness dey for court, and plenty things dey happen inside court. So I say make wherever una dey, make una take my greeting, whether na morning or na afternoon na evening. I know say all of them join. So now welcome. We go straight to wetin dey happen for court, because plenty things happen from yesterday, and those things we won't begin the treat. Can't join the one where we say they happen today, because better thing they happen today. Loudspeakers there for court as we dey talk. TV, our people carry them. PO and his lawyers carry another big television again, enter court. So, and we get star witness for court, and we get other witnesses where we say them there for court. So we'll go direct, and the people will be said them there with me to dissect the matters where they court, which is to say, tell our people how they take the happen there. I get Angel with me for studio, and I get Dr. Telbert for Zoom. Angel, I beg, greet our people, make we dey go straight.
My obedient people, good day to all of una. Hope say everybody dey fine o. Una dey kampe. Welcome. Today na another beautiful day. No be only television o. Mr. Kanu no tell una say they bring big speaker. Those wey dey back go dey hear am. Make dem know say, we no hear. They go hear today. We no go waste time. Make we continue.
Okay, Dr. Etel, I beg, put your hand out for our people, make them know say you dey there to follow us the talk wetin dey happen for court.
My people agree to let's see how it happens today. I trust that we will do well. Thank you.
Good. Dr. Etel, that's your video they do me, so make you for place and well. So my people will begin to go straight to waiting they happen for court now. But it be like say before we do, I go want make I tell on a waiting end yesterday, because that one don't trend. Many people don't begin to talk say whether our lawyers they know they ready because of the subpoena issue where happened yesterday. But waiting I want make I let una understand. Subpoena no be lawyers document, na court document, na court order, na it be. And when they give order, na them go serve INEC chairman. As we take report that yesterday, PDP don't serve their own. As they serve their subpoena to INEC, now they come no say, oh, subpoena they come. Now they come hear about the one of Labour Party and P2B. Now they come begin the run. And as they no get the man and or the distance to serve them that subpoena, now they can't use another way, because our lawyers, they always talk say, if there is different ways to go to Lagos. If this way no work, you go find another way. That's why that yesterday, they come bring them to open court, because they don't discuss that issue as they take talk for court. They don't discuss them with INEC then lawyer, and they agree on something. So the INEC the lawyer no say those people then they crooked one kind. So as they come begin they look now they say make them bring them to court notice, bringing it as a judicial notice. Make court no say they don't try to serve this man, because subpoena even get timeline. Not be something where be say you go just stay there forever. Make court no say, see waiting they happen, no, the man they evade service. Now be waiting where happen for that very court yesterday. So some people for different media, they misinterpret them. Like say our lawyers no know wetin then they do. They know wetin then they do. If you know wetin they happen for court today, even Onyechi Bazosan, they court today, and you know say that man no they miss. You know if in they shoot, they go direct. So the thing will happen that yesterday. Now the right thing will happen. If court give you, or make I put them for another way quick. If you want serve somebody when you won't carry go court, you go serve them. you go find am. If you no fit find the person to go serve am, you go back to court, go get him when they call whether substituted service. Then you go talk, so okay, make I go serve am for that in address, make I just go through am under in door or something like this. But this our matter, e no reach 1 week again for us to lay our evidence. So that's why then they bring that issue up and to deal with them. So no be say maybe then they fail or then they slack or something. No, they are doing their best. I go still get to our own point where we need to do our own to help them out. But before that time, make we go to wetin dey happen for court now. And the people wey be say they represent us for court na Ibazu San, the Vizuku dey there. But before then, make we hear from the lawyers. As I talked the other day, we're going to give commentary of how the thing take happen so that we go have understanding of how today process go take be. Because now when you know how it take end, now you go know how you go take begin today own. So that people will be saying they know even there yesterday or see how it take end, they go know how it take end. So producer, I beg that very 1 minute, make we take and see as it take end that yesterday.
It's a calm atmosphere as the hearing continues in the petitions filed by the presidential candidate of the Labour Party and former Vice President Mr. Atiku Abubakar challenging the election of President Bola Tinubu. The day begins with the hearing of the petitions filed by Mr. Peter Obi and the Labour Party as the party presents the bimodal voter accreditation system certificate of compliance from 28 states and the Federal Capital Territory. The party also tenders election results downloaded from INEC's portal for Benue, Niger, Edo, Bauchi, Bayelsa, Gombe and Kaduna states to further prove its case. Although counsel to INEC, President Tinubu, Vice President Shetima and the All Progressives Congress opposed the admissibility of the documents, the court admitted them. In the course of the proceedings, counsel to the Labour Party informs the court that the chairman of the Independent National Electoral Commission is evading service of a subpoena from the court. This claim generates some arguments as the counsel to INEC refutes the claim. Upon resumption later in the afternoon, the court hears the petition of Mr. Atiku Abubakar and the People's Democratic Party. Counsel to the petitioners presents some documents which the respondents oppose. However, the court admits the documents. The petitioners then proceed to call on more witnesses, a statistician who adopts his statement on oath. The cross-examination of the witness is reserved for the next hearing date. Further hearing has been adjourned to Thursday, the 15th of June, 2023.
Okay, so my people, and I don't see how it take end yesterday and how we can start today. So we get witnesses for court today, and these witnesses, the one where we say it goes sweet me and the other ones, now Arise TV news reporter where they there. So I think now the thing will make them carry that very particular high definition TV come court, and then as NJ take talk then bring big speaker, make people will be say then they for back, they even hear as if they take the happen. So make una for just wait as we they bring the things as if they come out from court, would they wait for that very video, make we know the video will be say and the evidence where they for that very video, so that we go bring them enter. So make una just get more patient because we they get them in, now we they bring them out. We get other, I think another 3 witnesses where we say they don't even take already. Aside from all the evidence where then they take, but objections no dey too much today, especially as concerns this witness where they caught. They no put too much objection now for those documents. Now they object and object and object, as we know their own now oppose and oppose, which we call now their name. So we go they wait as that very video they come out now. We go just play them. The other things we be saying na big things we be say go if they happen there now we go drop them. But we no one bring the drama. We be say if they happen we be say no be too much things we be say you go too. make meaning into. So why would they wait for those things to come up where go display for screen? I go first start to let on now. This issue of INEC, the chairman of INEC don't get subpoena from PDP. And I talked yesterday, say, we and PDP get one small thing in common. And that very thing be say, we no agree, say, this declaration weighed and declared by 4 a.m. in the morning by INEC, we all of us agree, say, no be real. Say, you know, correct. So we get that very one. So some things when we say they come there, we they follow the same line of action. You get the place where we feel disagree. Whether not this person win or this, we feel disagree. But waiting we agree, say the election they rigged. So INEC chairman then don't serve on this subpoena. And then talk say PDP talk say their own. Now today suppose appear, which is today. Even if our program end when it the end, and INEC chairman they only go get notification because I go come live. I go one bring waiting that man don't one talk because every Nigerian won't hear from that man. Because since when don't declare that result, whether I disappear, it disappear, nobody know. But one other thing when I want chip inside, some people they get misunderstanding about subpoena. Now court order. And you know there for the lawyer hand, make the lawyer go force INEC chairman to begin carry him come court by force. No, there is other alternative. Now the alternative be waiting then they call committer, because when you don't disobey court order, then go commit you, and that one na criminal act or criminal offense on a criminal matter on itself, and time no day. That's why then they try to bring most of these things for there. So Yakubu must come to court by fire by force. If you no come, criminal proceeding will take place. But we won't make it come. Make this issue just go according to the time where it's supposed to go. Make we treat the whole issue. He no get reason not to come. Now he declare results. If he come there, make we ask him how he arrive to his own figures. Because the figures what we say he give, no be no jail. So make we take waiting they come up from court. Dr. Etel, I they come to you now, but first make we look at waiting they come out from court. Yes. So first witness today, which is the fourth so far. Court say tell the court your name. Witness say my name is Prof. Eric Owadiegu of Edu. Court say please, where do you live? I live in Oka, Anambra State. Court, what is your occupation? A prof of maths at Nnamdi Azikiwe University, Oka. Okay, and I don't see him. So a mathematician don't enter court, and this mathematician will give us waiting as in takes him according to the questions where they want ask him. So the first respondent will be INEC counsel is objecting on the grounds that they were just being served the witness statement in court. And the witness is a star witness, and thus they are handicapped with how to proceed with the witness. Which kind of handicap these people they, my people? If they serve you the thing for court, make you read the witness statement for court there. On a plenty and a son on a B. But this very INEC counsel, I go still come to them. And they, so, calling it an ambush on the part of LP's counsel, suggesting that the witness be to step down and give them time to go through all the documents. My people, now don't they hear them? Second and third respondent, that is Shetima and Bola Tinubu's counsels, are also objecting on the grounds of being served this morning too, and are aligning themselves with the observation and the handicap of the first counsel. You see, what these people they do, they won't make you, they serve them. When you don't serve them already, why Yakub no come? The one where we want serve them since, why he no come? And you know say, these people, when you serve, now when you know say then they ready, now you go carry them come court. Sometimes if you tell somebody say you go come today you no go come. Next tomorrow you go think say you go come, you no go come. So you go dey hope make e come, because whether e come you no come, na the day wey court see am, na that day court dey take am. So you see, e no dey that kind easy. But anyway, sha, as una see for the screen, first respondent is asking for 48 hours to go through. Una dey see 48 hours. 48 hours no be 2 days to go through one-page document. One-page document. Now then they ask for 2 days. Now I remember saying no reach 1 week again. Make our matter finish. Then Tinubu talk say we can take the witness now and do cross-examination later to save time. Okay, although this Tinubu lawyer, I go still get to you because I get a matter for my heart today. Fourth respondent, we also wish to say that we were served with the witness deposition a few minutes before the court starts. I align myself with the submission of Chief Wole Olani Pekun. He can adopt his deposition and get cross-examined later. Okay, this Olani Pekun, I go still carry in case come meet una when I don't finish with this one. So the Labour Party Council can say, I was conferring with my learned friend, A.B. Mahmoud. So I was trying to confer with him whether the examination in chief now, whilst the cross-examination be deferred to enable us have a look at the witness deposition. As it dey take happen for court. Anytime we be say we carry witness come court, now so dem go carry one thing or the other, they take they come. But una go see say later, Ibazu dey for court today, him go deal with them. You go see how you go take hammer them. So INEC chairman Congress say, yes, I was trying to respond to a vague statement of his as he mentioned letter. By letter, he means tomorrow. Then, yes. So they won't make them carry and go tomorrow. Court contacts, okay, it is for the court to determine what letter will be, not any of you. So now court talks and then be the people who go decide that one. No be that the councils, now then go decide. INEC can say as the court pleases, it is at your discretion, my lords. So as he take their court, LP lawyer can say, unfortunately, we filed yesterday, but the time I got served on the respondent is today. We believe in fair hearing, swinging both ways and leaving to the discretion of the court whether to come back in 2 hours or tomorrow morning. Court has decided that our star witness will be examined today and cross-examination tomorrow. Make on a clap for this court, then they try. It's no easy. This justice is where they here. Then go sit down from morning no till night. They go hear the two petitioners, hear the respondents. It's no they easy. So sometimes we go give them kudos. Even when we hit them this side, go the other side, go tell them say then try. So then they try. So as we they see for screen now, I be say they start the process. What is your occupation again? Prof. Mass, Nnamdi Azikiwe University, son. You were served a subpoena to testify, correct? Witness, yes. Son, on 14 June, you made a witness statement at the registrar of this court, correct? Make una know say na yesterday, or yesterday na be 14th. So when these people they talk, that's why they talk, say they don't know how these people they struggle. Now yesterday, they just do this very witness statement on oath. So make these people for conscious first today. How can you identify the witness? Now in the son take action, now in come answer. Witness, if I go through it and I see my signature, so the man come talk say making sure say na him or making for look and see his signature for there. Son, do you adopt this witness statement on oath? Then come become their objection. First, second, third, and respondent scandal. We object to the admission of this witness statement for the reason we canvassed earlier, so as not to waste time of court. Court don't already agree, make them they go on. Wetin be these people own? Anyway, when I see and say wetin I talk don't come. Onyechi Bazu San don't enter. Now the man will be say is Abi, and we know how he take treat case where just happen when Supreme Court even endorse, give and thumbs up. So in can stand up, in can say, my Lord, we adopt our witness response and only add the provisions of what you want to see for screen of the Federal High Court rules, which states categorically that a witness under subpoena must be served from 1A and is mandated to provide a witness statement. Shall I proceed, my lord? Now, this kind of action, me, I dey like. Action man. It take over. So LP lawyer can say, we too adopt our previous submissions and only add the provisions of Order 3, Rule 3, Sub 3 of the Civil Procedure Rules, which is categorical that the witness must be served and is mandated to provide a witness statement. Shall I proceed? Court say, ruling reserved for final judgment. Well, court, we thank you for the one where you talk, make them continue. Make your ruling day good for final judgment too. Now that one will play. So LP lawyer can say, do you adopt your witness statement as evidence in chief? Witness say, may I cite it? So court present it to him. So for here now, I go hold on small because they don't already admit, make this statement start. But if I see what I talk, when I see if I just talk, court respect that thing. You know, maybe some other people, they know they respect them. But it gets some people where we say, even things go make them vex when they court. You go, they oppose what you know supposed to oppose. The court get rules. You know the rules. You go still they oppose them. Dr. Etel, I beg, before we come back to waiting demand, don't talk, because this thing na produce, then go they produce and they bring them together. So as the thing they come out from court, our people go reproduce them, then bring them out. So when they bring waiting the questions where they go on now, before we even get to the Arise news and the video where they there, so we go know how it goes. So make you tell me what you think about this very subpoena thing for INEC chairman through the one where happened with PDP and the one where we say Labour Party don't try to serve them in the wrong. And again, as the court, as we take them as the court they reach now, because we get plenty things where they come on.